Welcome to PDR Video. Here we are going to shoot the FatBox with a white drop cable. Here is the key slot. I am opening the box. Box is getting opened. Here you see is inside out. On the left-hand side, what you see is the set of instruction. On the right-hand side, there are two decks. This is upper deck with two PLCs. One on the top and one on the bottom. Here is a bottom deck. And here is the bottom side of the upper deck. Here is the bottom side of the upper deck. What you see the input of the riser cable. It is coming here. Two fibers are being pulled out of the 24 fibers and brought to splice tray, whereby it gets spliced to pigtails from input of PLC cassette, top and bottom, and rest of the 22 fibers are going back through this cable for outside connections. Here the two fibers are coming out. They are getting spliced here to the open end of the pigtails that goes as an input to the PLC. There are 8 outputs from the top PLC and 8 outputs from the bottom PLC. They are coming out. Coming out here. Here are output of PLC pigtails getting spliced with open end of white drop cables. Now the bunch of drop cables are coming out that are further routed to cable identifier, and it is coming out.